Okay, here we are at the city. I'm going to install the liner. We are hard up to the city. You can see in that top left corner where the city liner ends, where ours begins. What happened with this one is we hit the city liner, where it was reinstated, there's a lip on it, and so our liner hit that lip and it folded because of it. Wasn't able to pop all the way open. Won't affect anything as far as I, and I don't think it will affect anything with flow. Just kind of ugly. It's 45 feet of liner. About 40 feet of 6-inch and 5 feet of 4-inch. The rest of it looks pretty bang on. There's the end of the 4-inch right there. There's the old 4x6 right there. That's the start of the liner. And there's our access.